Hello everybody, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center. And you know, one of the most common questions I get about my personal life is, what's the story with biohacking, doc? And how does biohacking help you look good, feel good, live longer, live healthier? Well, stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you why we went to the Biohacking Conference, and I'm gonna give you some insight as to what we learned. So what is biohacking? Biohacking is like do-it-yourself biology. It's making small incremental changes in your lifestyle, your fitness, your environment, so that you can improve your health and wellness and longevity. Everything from physical function to mental function. This past weekend, we went to the Biohacking Conference up in Orlando, along with about 2,000 other biohackers who want to live longer. They want to put more years in their life and more life in their years. And so how do they do that? Well, they're doing everything from tracking their sleep, to meditating, to exercising more efficiently, to watching what they eat, to limiting the time that they eat, to taking the right supplements, you name it. That's what biohackers do. And they come from all walks of life, but they all want to live better lives, and they all want to be healthier, and they all want to take control of their own biology. Our good friend and patient, Dave Asprey, is considered the father of biohacking. He started this movement many years ago as he sought to change his own biology, lost 100 pounds, improving his brain function, improving his lifestyle, getting rid of chronic pain, and eliminating the effects of toxic mold exposure, all the while spending actually probably almost $1 million in doing so. But he leads the way for the rest of us to live healthier lives. With the current epidemic of obesity, diabetes, chronic disorders, toxic mold exposure, and other biotoxins that are out there, there is no better time for all of us to learn how to take better care of our own biology. You know, at the Biohacking Conference, they reviewed everything, that it's not just what you eat, but when you eat, how important sleep is for your health, as well as your environment. And so a lot of these same holistic approaches that we talked about at biohacking basically refer exactly to what we do here at Bauman Medical Group when it comes to taking care of your hair and scalp health. So for example, the effect of red light on the skin in rejuvenation and hair growth is critically important. We know what you eat and the right nutritional supplements are critical for hair growth, and avoiding toxins and toxic exposure, especially at the level of the scalp, is critical for scalp health. And when you have good scalp health, you're going to get good hair growth. So some of my favorite biohacks are tracking my sleep. I use the Oura Ring to determine how much deep sleep and REM sleep I get. I want to get the best quality sleep in the least amount of time. We also learned that diminishing or blocking some blue light during the day, and especially after dark, is really important. That's why we got these on, so that we can block some of that dangerous junk blue light that can keep you awake at night and prevent you from getting great sleep. Intermittent fasting. I've compressed my eating window to about 6 hours per day, so I fast overnight, obviously, and also in the morning. Usually I'll have a buttered coffee sometime in the midday and then eat a regular dinner. And so it's almost like one meal a day with a little snack in between, but I've compressed the time that I'm eating, and I feel great. Lots more energy and excellent output, excellent productivity. And so we learned a lot and we shared a lot. And I'll tell you, my favorite biohack is gratitude. It was amazing to see the sharing of knowledge and information at the conference, and we're just thankful for everybody who shared their knowledge with us, and also for those who attended the conference and attended our presentations and stopped by the booth to find out more about what we do here at Bauman Medical. If you'd like more information about biohacking your hair loss situation, click the links below to schedule a consultation, or if you're already a patient, you can schedule your follow-up with me in person or virtually.